Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahan Rafiqul number A320220098, and I'm from class E, and my lecturer is Fitri Kurniawan. And here I am going to talk about my hobbies. Um, I have a lot of hobbies, as I'm a person who just gets bored really easily. So I tend to have a lot of activities for myself, and first of all, let's start with the most simple ones as hobbies, which is sports. I do enjoy a variety of sports, although I mostly enjoy swimming. Well, I've been doing swimming ever since I was a little kid. Ever since I started to walk, I learned how to swim. Uh, so I must say that I really do enjoy it, being in the water. And second, I do enjoy a bit of badminton, ping pong, and some tennis as well. I'm also in this university's tennis club as well. What else? And yeah, and another sporting activity which I would say quite underrated, and it's a club, a crafting, as well as sport in it. It's an interesting sport on its own, which is airsofting. Airsofting, basically, it's a sport where they're using airsoft guns. Now, what's airsoft guns? It's basically replica guns, toy guns, but they're one-on-one scale. Usually, some of them, well, you have cheap ones, usually still with plastic, and they're easy to use. Maybe used for younger leagues, for example, children, maybe about middle school, maybe elementary, and maybe high school as well. They use a spring device, which is where you, here for example, you cock the weapon and you let go and you just shoot, and to load the gun you cock it again and shoot one again. It's kind of like, not really, it's basically like a toy, but I enjoy it as a sport because there is 3-on-3, or like battles, like for example we split in teams and we have an arena and we battle each other, and that we use a more advanced, which is a gas blowback rifle. Now this thing uses gas and it's heavy. It's the same thing as a normal rifle. It's one question is a lot of questions that I get. Does it hurt? And it does. This rifle, it does. You're talking about this pistol, that hurt, and it's a hobby I enjoy. It's a hobby that people enjoy. Most people who like guns. I mean, it started off with liking gun games, for example, Call of Duty as a kid, and you kind of want to realize that in this, rather than jumping into the army, which is too fast, and you just want the gun tactics. In airsoft, you learn about gun tactics and a lot of movement here and there. Trust me, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of running as well. It's a lot of workout on its own. Plenty. This thing is, well, it's no. The second thing that comes in is not only sport, but also comes to crafting, which is gun crafting. Here I didn't really modify much about this gun, probably just the inside. I did change the chamber to make it more stronger. I changed the piston as well to keep that little pack inside much stronger. It hurts a lot, actually. At least it's straight. It does. So yeah, if you're talking about if it hurts or not, it did that. I also have another unit, but it's being sold right now. It hasn't been sold out yet. It's just in the store. And that's it. That's pretty much it. I do have another hobby, which is photography, which is why I'm also in this university's LPM campus. I do enjoy journalism to an extent. And there I am a magazine writer there, which I do enjoy writing a lot. Reading novels as well is what I do a lot in my spare time. If I do nothing, if I'm in the train, if I'm just walking, I'm in the bus, I'm in the train, I'm in a taxi, I'm just waiting for someone, I usually just read a novel on my phone, a web novel. And I think that's it for my hobbies, and thank you for listening, I guess.